Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Informed consent. Informed consent is the process of getting permission from a person after they fully understand the facts, risks, and benefits of a medical treatment or procedure. Before the surgery, the doctor explained all the potential side effects to obtain the patient's informed consent. Wound dressing. Wound dressing is a protective material like a bandage or gauze applied to a wound to shield it from infection, absorb fluid, and help it heal. After cleaning the cut, she applied a sterile wound dressing and changed it daily to prevent bacteria from getting in. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are natural materials or sources of energy that can be replenished naturally over time, such as sunlight, wind, or trees. Switching to renewable resources like solar and wind power is essential for reducing our reliance on finite fossil fuels. Virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality, VR, is a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment that a person can interact with and explore using special electronic equipment like a headset. Using virtual reality, the medical students practice a complex surgical procedure in a risk-free simulated operating room. Double-blind study. A double-blind study is a scientific experiment designed to prevent bias, where neither the participants nor the researchers know who is receiving the treatment and who is receiving a placebo. To test the new drug's true effectiveness, the researchers conducted a double-blind study. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing is the process of reading the exact order of the chemical building blocks that make up a strand of DNA, like reading the letters in a word. Scientists use DNA sequencing to identify the specific genetic mutation responsible for the rare disease. Scientific method. Scientific method is the step-by-step process scientists use to answer questions, which typically involves making observations, forming a hypothesis, conducting experiments, and analyzing results. A student used the scientific method to test whether plants grow faster under different colored lights. Trivial conventionality. Trivial conventionality refers to the unthinking adherence to minor social norms, customs, or traditions that are largely unimportant or superficial. He dismissed the debate over whether to use formal titles in an email as mere trivial conventionality, arguing that clear communication was far more important. Tiresome braggadocio. Tiresome braggadocio refers to exhausting and annoying boasting or arrogant talk that is full of empty, exaggerated pride. We quickly grew weary of his tiresome braggadocio about his salary and expensive car. Technical precision. Technical precision is the exact and accurate execution of a task according to its specific rules, methods, or standards. The surgeon's technical precision during the operation was critical to avoiding damage to the surrounding nerves.